Hey guys, I just got this Navis Marine rain suit, so let's check it out. So let's check this. Woo! I love the color. It has the buttons and the zip. And this is so cool. It has a space to keep safe the hood. You can take out the hood if you don't want to get wet the hair, and if you don't want to use it, you can put it away again. So I love the color. I really love the color, and the material looks so good to block the wind and the rain. So let's put it on and let's check the pants too. We have here the pants. Wow. These are the pants. The pants with those yellow suspenders. I think it's really nice. So let's put it on.
Que esta noche es para los dos. Solo quiero que brilles tú. Quiero aprovechar la ocasión. Baby, apaga la luz. Que esta noche es para los dos. Solo quiero que brilles tú. Quiero aprovechar la ocasión.
I think it's perfect for the wind or the rain. I keep out the hood. Here you go. I love it. I love the material. I love the color. It feels safe for the wind or the rain, and it's so great. And now for the weather here in Miami, and if you live in wherever you live, if there so many windy or rain, I recommend to get this one for you and your family.